Students, this is basics class number 8. So let us solve some problems in this class. So solve the following. Solve the following. Solve the following. First question is 1 by root 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. 1 by root 2x plus 7, 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. So how do you solve this? You think of how to solve this, students. Since we are having root, whenever that root is seen, root is appeared, we always go for squaring both sides. Square on both sides. So right, students, squaring both sides. Square both sides. Square of 1. Squaring both sides. So 1 square is 1 by, so root of 2x plus 5 whole square. So root of 2x plus 5 whole square is equal to 7 square 49. How much is 7 square, students? 49. 49. So cross square root get cancels now. Square and root get cancels. So remaining is 1 by 2x plus 5 is equal to 49. 49. Cross multiply. Now you go for cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. We want x value, students. So you try to find out x from that. Cross multiply. 1 ones are 1. 49 twos are, I think 98x plus 49 fives are. Cross multiply. 49 twos are 98x, 49 fives are 245, correct? So right. Yes, sure. From this you find out x value. Bring the 245 this side. So 1 minus 245 is equal to 98x. How much is 1 minus 245? It is minus 244. Minus 244 is equal to 98x. X required. Bring this multiple of x down. How much is x? Multiple of x 98. You bring it down. So therefore, x is equal to minus 244 by 98. Minus 244 by 98. I think we got x value. You can think of dividing both the numbers by 2. From 4 it is not possible, it seems. Because we cannot divide denominator by 4. 4 2s are 8, 18. Now 2 divided by 2. So minus 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 2 9s are. How much is x value, students? Minus 122 by 49. Let us go for solving one more question of the same type. You solve one more question of the same type. So next question is, so 1 by 3x minus 8 is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Since again root is appearing, whenever we see root, square root, we think of eliminating root first. It can be possible. It is possible using squaring both sides. You go for, first you cross multiply, students. You can do in any way. First you go for cross multiplication. So write cross multiplying. So this implies 5 equals root of 3x minus 8. 3x minus 8. Square both sides. Squaring both sides. 5 square 25. 3x minus 8. Bring that minus 8 this side. 25 plus 8 is equal to 3x. So how much is 25 plus 8? I think it's 33. So 33 is equal to 3x. Bring that 3 down. 33 by 3 is equal to x. Tell me x value, students. So x is equal to 11. 3 ones are 3 ones are. So you solve one more question of the same type. So next question. So 1 by root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 by root of 8x minus 7. 1 by root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 by root of 8x minus 7. So right. So you think of first, you can do in any way, students. So that going for squaring first and after that using cross multiplication, or so doing cross multiplication first, after that going for squaring. Both are correct. You can do in any way. You can do whichever you wish first. Right. First I go for cross multiplication. First I go for cross multiplication. That is root of 8x minus 7 is equal to root of 2x plus 5. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. So roots get cancels. 8x minus 7 is equal to 2x plus 5. X required. X required. Bring x terms to one side. You bring all x terms to one side and think of getting x. Solving for x. 8x minus 2x. I brought x term this side. You send the remaining, the terms which does not contain x, to other side. 5, you send minus 7 that side. Plus 7. 8x minus 2x. 6x. 7 plus 5, 12. So x is, so 12 by 6. 6 2s are. We got x value. So now let's go for solving one more question of the same type. So next question is, so 1 by, so right, root of 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 by root of, so 11x plus 5. You solve the same question. One more question of the same type by the same method. Solve the students. Solution. Solution. Cross multiply. So first I go for cross multiplication. You can do in any way. So that doing cross multiplication first, or you can go for squaring first also. Right? Yes, I go for cross multiplying. So root of 11x plus 5 is equal to root of 3x minus 1. Root of 11x plus 5 is equal to root of 3x minus 1. Now you think of squaring on both sides. Square both sides. SBS. So 11x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 1. Again by the same method. So you bring x terms to one side, send the remaining terms to other side. 11x minus 3x, send that 5 right side. Minus 5 minus 1. 11 minus 3. How much is 11 minus 3? 8. 8x. So 8x is equal to minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1. It is minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by 8. I think you can divide both the numbers by 2. So dividing by 2 is possible. So write minus 3 by 4. So we got x value as minus 3 by 4. Let us go for next question, students. So one more question is, so root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 is equal to 1. So here, so let us think of how to find x. So this way, squaring both sides directly may be quite difficult. So otherwise you follow this technique, you follow this method. Keep this root x plus 1 here only. You send one of the term to right side. Root x minus 1. Now you think of squaring both sides. Square both sides now. SPS. Squaring both sides. So root of x plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 minus root of x minus 1 whole square. 1 minus root of x minus 1 whole square. Square root get cancels. So x plus 1, clearly it is in the form of a minus b whole square. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So what is a minus b whole square, students? A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. You apply the formula. A square, 1 square is 1 plus b square root x minus 1 whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into root x minus 1. 2 root x minus 1. Again root square get cancels because root means 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2 get cancels. X plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x minus 1 minus 2 root x minus 1. Now look at this, students. Plus 1 get cancels because if I bring this plus 1 this side, if I bring this plus 1 this side, becomes minus 1. How much is plus 1 minus 1? 0. Again x and x get cancels because if I bring x this side, it becomes minus x. X minus x is 0. Now it is 0. On left side we are getting 0. So minus 1 minus 2 root x minus 1. So now I am thinking of getting x. You bring that x term on one side. You bring that x term on one side. Bring that x term on one side. It is 2 into root x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So bring that x term on one side. 2 into root x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Squaring both sides. Again you think of squaring both sides. So 2 square is 4. So root x minus 1 whole square is x minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, it is 1. How much is minus 1 whole square? It is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Multiply by 4. 4x minus 4 is equal to 1. Send that minus 4 right side. 4x is equal to 4 plus 1. 4x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 4. So how much is x value, students? 5 by 4. I hope you people are understanding well. Let's go for solving one more question of the same type. Root x plus 1 minus root x minus 1 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. You follow same method. You follow the same method, students. So right. You follow the same method. Plus or minus is equal to 2. You send one of the term to right side. So right. You send one of the term to right side. You set one of the term to right side. You follow the same method which we applied to solve the previous problem. So right, you set this right side, students, 2 plus root x minus 1. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. SBS. So root x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 plus root x minus 1 whole square. Right side, clearly the right side it is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square, students? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Apply that. On left side, square root get cancels. Remaining is x plus 1. A plus b whole square. A square. 2 square 4. B square root x minus 1 whole square plus 2ab 2 into 2 4, so root x minus 1, so 2ab 2 to the 4, right? So now square root get cancels. X plus 1 is equal to 4 plus x minus 1 plus 4 into root x minus 1. So right, x plus x minus x get cancels. Because if I bring plus x this side, becomes minus x. X minus x is 0. So now it is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Plus 4 into root x minus 1. Bring that 3 this side. So bring that 3 that side. So it is 1 minus 3 is equal to 4 into root x minus 1. How much is 1 minus 3, students? Minus 2 is equal to 4 into root x minus 1. So I think you can divide by 2. So 2 2s are 2 2s are. Because if I go for cross multiplication, if I think of cross multiplication, this 2 comes down, 2 2s are. Tell me remaining minus 1 is equal to 2 into root x minus 1. Now again we have root. So if how do you eliminate? How that root can be eliminated? Only by, it is only by squaring. It is only by squaring. Squaring both sides. Minus 1 whole square 1. 2 square 4 into x minus 1. Multiply by 4. 1 is equal to 4x minus 4. 1 is equal to 4x minus 4. Bring that minus 4 this side. 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to 4x. Tell me x, students, 5 by 4. X is 5 by 4. I hope you people are understanding well. Let us move on to one more question. Let us go for one more question. So right. Let us solve one more question, students. So right. Next question is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 9. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 9. So the easy way of solving this is, look at this. X plus 1. If I send square right side, it becomes root. If I send square right side, it becomes root. That too plus or minus root 9. Am I correct? So right, square right side is plus or minus. If x square is equal to y, we write x is equal to plus or minus root y. Not only plus y, it should be plus or minus root y. Right? So now, so x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. So here, from that you can see, you can find two equations. Here we have two equations. One is plus 3, the other one is minus 3. First you take plus 3 equation, find out x value. Next you take minus 3 equation, find out one more x value. So x plus 1 is equal to 3. So consider, let that implies x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. You take one more equation. X plus 1 is equal to minus 3. x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. X is equal to minus 4. So we got two x values. Let us solve one more question of the same type. X minus 2 whole square is equal to 16. X minus 2 whole square is equal to 16. Again, you send square right side. You send square right side. Becomes plus or minus. X minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 4. Take plus equation. X minus 2 is equal to 4. Let x is equal to 4 plus 2 6. X minus 2 is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 plus 2. X should be equal to minus 2. We are getting two x values. I hope you understood, students. Remaining I will explain in the next class. Now I write homework. You solve these questions at home. You solve these questions at home. First question is 1 by root 3x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 8. Second question is 1 by root 8x minus 1 is equal to 5. So third question is 1 by root 7x minus 5 is equal to 1 by root 6x minus 1. So next question is so root x plus 1 minus root x minus 1 is equal to 3. So one more question is root x minus 1 plus root x plus 1 is equal to 5. So next question is x minus 3 whole square equals 25. So one more question is so x plus 1 whole square is equal to 4. So one more question is x minus 2 whole square is equal to 64. You solve all these questions up to home, students. Thank you. So let us stop this class. Thank you so much.